Tech would like to extend a warm welcome to you, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button. Or like. Today we bring you the finest cool gadgets tech you may need at work and at home, and if you're filming a vlog video, let's go. Or, if you really want, subscribe. Automatic hose relay hose can be difficult to draw and drag out, and it is occasionally necessary to untangle it. Automatic hose reels, thankfully, exist to aid with the problem of knotted, twisted, and in-the-way hoses. Hose reels with self-retracting reels are used for a variety of applications, including agriculture, mining, waste management, and construction. Automatic hose reels are hose reels that employ electric, hydraulic, spring, or pneumatic power to unwind and wind the hose they contain with minimal effort. Holder of a PHONESIDE smartphone. AMAZOM is a multinational brand. This stabilizer comes with a newly invented start position that automatically rotates your phone vertically at a 360-degree angle while filming, giving you the feeling of making a master's video. It's a one-stop shop for storytelling, as the revised mathematical situation enables you to capture exceptionally smooth footage while running in the upper and lower decks, riding outside, or traveling over rugged terrain. The axis overlapping is detected by a high-performance engine, which shoots at a low angle, similar to the Breeze. The adaptation of 3 variable speed axes is extremely responsive to hand movements. Starting with fast-paced events like athletics, the HOM's growth in design, as well as the ability to convert it, gives it a unique production tool for everything from video and interview blogs to documentary films and independent features. Apart from the aforementioned features, this tool is distinguished by basic zoom focus control, as well as all conditions, each lock pan recycling, the next tilt, and 3 for a spiral hole for attachments such as a tripod holder or a video light. Enjoy control of your imaging tool on both your gimbal and today's iOS Android app with Home Gimbal. Each recording may be done in slow motion with a 360-degree angle and following the face object while recording the time interval and changing the move position in your smartphone app. Note, before using your phone, make sure it's balanced over the budget arm manually, especially if you have an iPhone Pro Max. Face object tracking and recording all motions in a fixed shot for up to 12 hours with an updated timeline to produce a dynamic effect that depicts all. AirRing wearable air purifier. Many brands, labs, and designers have created their own versions of face masks due to their high reliability. BioTlab is developing AirRing, a wearable device that provides unparalleled breathing protection all day long in order to replace obstructive masks with transparent and safe masks. The wearable is made to be easy to put on and take off. The air filters drape down the back of the neck, while the battery array rests on the wearer's chest. The AirRing hopes to usher in a future when breathing is safe, unrestricted, and joyful because of its beautiful design and maximum purifying capabilities. The futuristic-looking AirRing, which can be worn around your neck and surround your face with refreshing, filtered air to protect you from viruses like COVID-19, infections, and particulate matter, seems like it came straight out of a wireless neckband speaker. SRS-NB10. Sony doesn't want you to take off its new wireless neckband speaker, the Sony SRS-NB10. It's part headphones, part necklace, and it'll keep you entertained during the day and after hours. It's likely that you'll be able to get rid of it while you're sleeping. The flexible, lightweight band conceals an upward-firing full-range speaker unit directed solely at your ears. There are passive radiators in the back to aid bass creation, and Sony claims that everything that comes out of them will be easily heard, even at low volumes, regardless of how busy your environment is. It should be convenient for video conferencing or taking calls while working from home. You can connect to 2 devices via Bluetooth at the same time and switch between them with the push of a button on the device. So you may be listening to music 1 minute and then go right into a business conversation the next. Even if your family or housemates are yelling in the background, Sony's precise speech pickup technology claims to assure that your voice will be clear and uninterrupted. Meeting Owl Pro. Demand for good technology to operate remotely while maintaining effective communication has perhaps never been greater than it is now. As a result, we are delighted to inform you that Ingram Micro has entered into a pan-European cooperation with Owl Labs, allowing us to provide our Nordic clients with a smart, comprehensive solution. Owl Pro is someone you should meet. Owl Labs is a collaborative technology firm that is changing the way people communicate. For today's hybrid workforce and virtual meetings, Owl Labs offers profoundly engaging and inclusive meeting experiences. Classroom. Companies must develop better ways to link employees, whether they work in the office or from home, as more varied and flexible working methods become more common. Companies can establish completely connected teams using Meeting Owl Pro, regardless of where their employees are located. Finally, if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so that you can keep up with anything new and follow me. In the social media links in the description. Goodbye.